here?
I'm a cop. You can't tell me what to do.
Yes.
I think he's nogged. Can we get a DUI? Can we get a fire truck at 472 Boulevard?
Please identify unit.
401. You are under arrest for possession of an item that uses gunpowder, arson, and disobeying an officer. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Do you understand these rights?